Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can auto scroll shorts on YouTube. So let's go forward and open the YouTube application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that you'll have to hit this icon with your profile picture at the top right corner and then go to settings. So right here you will see this option which says autoplay, and go and hit that option right here. So what you'll have to do here is toggle on this option mobile phone/tablet, and we are going to toggle on that option. So what does this do is when you finish watching a short on Facebook, it will automatically come to the next one and so on. So when the video finished, you will not have to scroll manually to the next one, and it will automatically scroll through the shorts. So this is all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one.